One sec. I'm coming. I'm coming. 1 second. No, Tesh. I'm getting some water. Some water. No, don't listen to Josh. Okay, okay. What happened to Elon? Matthew, what did you buy Doge at? Anyways, yeah, CERO is cooking. Cooking CERO. Cooking. Very nice run in this one, actually. Very, very nice run. Let's see. Why is that almost at the bottom of the list? Bottom of the list. I'm just looking. Make sure that I like everything on this list. Yes, sir. Good morning, everybody. Jay, good morning. Matthew, you bought at 14 cents. Beautiful. The best thing to do, Matthew, for you is take half of the gain so your initial investment is secure, and then put a stop loss, minimum take profit on the rest. TK, good morning. Rita, good morning. Good morning, Azul. Koto, good morning. Josh, Ayo, good morning. Paul, good morning. T Robot, good morning. Ole, good morning. Seth, Ayo, good morning. River, good morning. Harrison, Harry, good morning. Tesh, good morning. Lizzie, good morning. Jamal, good morning. Dave, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Queen, good morning. You're here for the music. Yogi, sounds good. Chefman, good morning. Amanda, good morning. Tony, good morning. Ciao, ciao, Bob. MJ, good morning. Jack, good morning. Patricia, Ayo, good morning. Jericho, green and not greedy, please. Good morning. KB, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Will, Ayo, good morning. Jack, good morning. Bill, good morning. Jordan, good morning. Yi, what's up, what's up? Trey, good morning. Good morning, Dev. Devrin, Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Yeah, today is Tuesday. Tuesday. So, last night Bitcoin hit, well, almost 90. It got rejected right at 90. I say last night. It wasn't really last night, was it? This chart is a 15-minute chart, so it shows you a few more candles than we usually look at. So this was early this morning when it got rejected at $90,000. That's impressive, isn't it? So a bit of a drop, consolidation at some point, and then the vibes continue. Doge very similar, right? Again, same time frame, 15-minute time frame. Doge ran all the way to 44 cents, right? So from below 10 cents all the way to 44 cents is pretty impressive. Very nice. This is bringing a lot of people back from like 2020, 2021 from the grave, which is nice to see. So we're going to talk about these as the day goes on as well. The S&P is down 49 cents. Nobody cares. Nobody's concerned about the S&P being down 49 cents. Right. So the only question going forward for the S&P is, do we sell off or do we break 600? That's the next question. So let's see what happens today. Alrighty. And then in terms of like momentum, scalpy stocks, right? FOXO did really well this morning. It's going to need to get back up of $1 and consolidate. And if it does, your next resistance is right below $1.10. So if FOXO can break above 110, then yeah, it's looking for 120. So for now, in terms of support, I'd be looking for 95 cents. So 95, and then it's 87. And then for resistance, it's right below. So right above like 105, but really 110 resistance, and then 120. Alrighty. BTCT was another nice one, right? Nice little pop, but then it double topped at $5. So that's going to be resistance at $5 with a bit of support at 450 and then support at $4.20. LGMK, if you look to the left hand side, it looks like it's breaking out, right? So it looks good into the open. LGMK. So I like what that thing is doing. It needs to close candles above 21 cents though, right? So if these candles can start closing above 21 cents, then we can look to the highs, which is like 22.50. Alrighty, for LGMK. And then lastly on the list is CERO. CERO has been cooking, right? As soon as that thing broke out at 20 cents, it's been cooking all the way to 34.50. So that thing looks really, really good. Alrighty, so I'm gonna separate these, by the way, because I don't like having like two monster plays on the same tab. So we're gonna get rid of that, and here you go. Let this one load for a second. Good morning, Virus. Of course, you sold it, Bill. Yeah. Lee, good morning. Virus and Thrust. Good morning, everybody. Again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. It helps when you smash a like nice and early on. So smash a like, share the link, right? Invite your friends. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, what are you waiting for? You want to fight? I'm kidding. Anyways, you know what YouTube has done? YouTube has created this little thing that's called a goal. I don't know if you guys have seen it. Does it show you guys? I don't think it does. It says create a goal, like on the live chat. So then it says pick a goal. So the goal could be, but the goal is all monetary though. So it says 1 super chat, 5 super chats, 10 super chats, 50 super chats, and then it says, and then it gives you like a value, right? It has to be above $1, or it has to be above $10, or it has to be above $100, or the color. And then it says give a time that this is done in, and then share how you do to celebrate. Interesting. I thought it was more than that, but it's just a monetary goal. Um, I thought it was like more, like smash a like, let's get to 100 likes, or let's ask 100 questions, or no, but it's just a monetary goal. That is cool though. That is cool. One of these days we're gonna have to use it. Malin, good morning. Good morning, everybody. A million super chats. Money goes. I know, right, Mike? I know. Good morning, Maynor. I just saw that, and I was like, wait, what's this? So then I had to close that page before I can see the live chat. So it looks like it's something that they recently came up with. I wanna look. I wanna see if I can change that though. Let me search it. I know we're kind of late, but YouTube gold future. Uh, I don't know when the with let's see here. What is this? With more creators. Okay. Make your live streams in Premium more engaging for viewers. I mean, it's not more engaging if you're just asking for money stuff. What are super chat goals? To reach a certain number of super chats. La 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 la. Who's eligible for these? Oh, you know why YouTube does what they do? It's like, we might not have. I don't know why it says limited. I don't know if this is actually true, but I feel like anyways, I won't say anything, but we're currently testing this with a limited group of creators. Um, and available for location for la la will be la 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 la. Okay. Anyways, so I guess we made the cut, right? On every super chat, exactly, Josh. Exactly. So I guess YouTube likes us only when it comes to monies, huh? Anyways, when it comes to Dan, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Duly. Yeah, let's go, Doug, Nikolai, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. But yeah, that's cool though. One of these days we're gonna have to use it. Alrighty, guys. Um, one of these days we're gonna have to use it. Maybe let me know if that day is today. Okay, let me get my stream ready there. 7 minutes to go. What I want to do is this, and then this, and then CERO. Okay. LGMK is still looking really good there. I like what it's doing. FOXO just seems to be consolidating for now. Okay. Just consolidating for now. I don't mind that it's just consolidating there, though. I can't see your comments in the chat. I'm just making sure my platform is good to go. Let's go. Come on. Did you say super chats? No, you guys were supposed to wait, guys. You guys were supposed to wait. Dang it. Oh. We could have created the goal first and then hit the goal. Dang it, guys. Okay. Maybe I'm gonna do it though. I'm just doing stream stuff. And then LGMK. Okay, perfect. Actually, do it anyway. I wonder if it counts. Oh, Laura, I know, right? Super cool. Just hire good help, Bill. I know, right? Yeah, I usually have too many. Oh, wait, why does it say 5-0? Wait, is that because Josh is winning the super chat game? But it also says 5-0 for Raven though. Let's go. Okay, like 5 likes maybe. Thank you very much, Raven. Did someone say super chat? Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Josh, thank you very much as well. No one beats me in a super chat. Okay, you guys made me do it. Okay, we're gonna do. Okay, let's do. Let's do these ones. Let's do like the entire stream. Okay. Actually, let's do 2 hours. Okay. Let me know if you guys see that in the chat. Alrighty, let me know if you guys see it. Oh no! Dang it, Dan, you were supposed to wait. Dang it, Dan, you guys are doing it too soon. Oh my goodness. We could have already been halfway to the goal already. Let's go, Jericho. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Well done. Give me a high five. Dan, Dan is like, you know what, guys? You know what? Let me win. Dan, much love. Thank you very much. This is for Blaze's stretch therapy. Don't worry, guys. I've been going to, anyways. Let me not give away these secrets. When you guys see me at 7 foot, when we do the meet, Dan is gonna be, anyways. Dan, thank you very much. I really appreciate that, guys. It's a little fun way to start the day. Oh yeah, JPY. Yeah. Thank you all very much. I really appreciate that. Yeah, the Azul, I'm gonna be messaging Azul. I need some knee implants. So let me switch Doge and BTC, especially Doge, to a smaller time frame, because there's a certain level of like funness when you can see these candles go crazy. Um, Josh, unbelievable! You're supposed to help me. You're supposed to help me. And so this is also the 15-minute time frame for Bitcoin, right? So clearly, again, there's nothing overly negative happening here, other than like a healthy retracement, right? And on most time frames that are reliable, it's still above the 200 and everything else. So again, no one's really overly concerned about any of this, right? The market's open in 2 minutes. SPY is slowly recovering, so let's see what happens. Our top names going into the open, guys: FOXO, right? I'm gonna do some lines on FOXO here really quickly for those of you guys that are watching, right? So like I said earlier, 95 is a level to watch for FOXO. There's a bit of resistance at $1 again, psychological level, and then I want to say $1.05, but I also want to say $1.10. I'm just gonna say $1.05 for now. Alrighty. So for those of you guys watching FOXO, these are your levels for now. Let me see how many of these I can get through before we get to the open. XBP was another one that did really well this morning, but it's not doing much and it's below the 200. So we're going to leave that on the side for now. BTCT looks okay to me. Going into the open, you can't really count these names out yet, right? So I think we mentioned $4.50 for support. I'm gonna say $1.55 for now, though, and then that $5 is gonna be your next major resistance. Even though there's another level at 450, 480, sorry, right? So for those of you guys watching that, there's some other levels there to look at. Alrighty, okay, so that's BTCT, and then LGMK. Same level. It's a double top closer to 2250. So that's your next major resistance for LGMK. Already, I'm gonna put that line up there. It's a little bit higher, but I want it a little bit higher just because it's a double top. Alrighty, so those are your levels for LGMK. Alrighty, and then CERO. Let's see what CERO does. CERO is currently bouncing off like the 50 EMA. I want to leave this one alone, and we can watch this one into the open though, and then go from there. Alrighty, and the market is open. Open, guys. Good morning, everybody. Betting over to Hug Blaze, it'll be a huge challenge. Unbelievable. La. So this looks interesting coming into the open. LGMK, again, these are these volatility candles at the open that you want to be careful with, right? So when the market opens and the stock is gapping up like that, people tend to take those gains, right? So no need to rush into the open, please. It looks like for now, BTCT came back to retest our line we put at the bottom, and it held for now, right? So let's see if we can continue to stay above that 450-ish level. Again, patience at the open, please. The S&P is back to green, guys. The usual mumbo jumbo. FOXO just said, hey, guys, I love pumping. There goes FOXO, guys. Right, so FOXO just popped. Right, nice little pop at the open there. So again, FOXO did a really good job actually coming back to retest the bottom of the range. So that 95 line we put at the bottom there is acting as a base just because it was initially resistance and then a breakout and then it's become a retest level, right? So for FOXO, what I would like to see is at some point for retest of this level here and consolidate, right? So that then we break above the actual high, and we hold it as support. So and then your next resistance will be $1.20, right? So I don't think we talked about $1.20, but your next resistance will be all the way up there. Alrighty, it would be nice to consolidate above this last high though, and then go from there. LGMK just had a nice little pop, right? So again, it looks like we came back, right? We broke below that line we put there, but we never closed below the line, and then there goes boom skis, right? So all of these stocks are kind of pumping off the lines, but again, you can never really predict that crazy volatility at the open, right? You can never really predict that volatility at the open. Let's go, Russell. See, we would have made the goal already. Unbelievable. We were too excited, you know. Russell, thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now we're on our way to thrust. It's also Russell's first super on a live stream, guys. Russell's first super chat on a live stream. So Russell, thank you very much for yeah, being taken from. So the white lines are being taken from my head. They're being taken from support levels, from yeah, the just levels that I put on the chart as support and resistance lines. Those might be based on demand zones, right? And other things, right? So we'll talk about it. Maybe on a one-on-one, or like as the day goes on today, after the craziness of the open is calmed down a little bit. But again, yeah, so FOXO looks good. Alrighty. Let's see if we can push for $1.20. Congratulations if you are holding FOXO, because I know some people did really well. And Grim has been spamming LGMK this morning, right? Grim was spamming this thing all the way in the abyss, waiting for the breakout, right? So if you followed Grim this morning in LGMK, you're smiling because it's hitting highs of the day, right? Grim, high five. Green is yeah. Let's go, Grim. Congratulations. So it looks like we're stalling at a psychological level for now at 25 cents, but that thing looks nice though, doesn't it? Looks very, very nice. Again, Doge isn't doing very much this morning. It had a good night. Bitcoin had a good night, not really doing much this morning, and the S&P is also equally as confused, right? So some of these things have done really well, and they need to kind of chill out, right? Foxo's having a hard time at getting to $1.20 though. So for now, it looks like we came back on this candle actually and tested that white line and bounced. So that's a good thing. So that white line at the bottom is holding, right? So here we go. We're 5 cents away from that 120 level. BTCT came back, right, and broke below, and it's retesting. So this is almost why we say, like again, be patient at the open because you never know. Alrighty, CERO is still dipping CERO. And then LGMK says, "Hey Grim, you want to be even more greener than fudge? Let's go. Let's go, Jericho. Jericho with the fifth super on a live stream. I feel like Jericho. I feel like we've had all of Jericho's five supers for a couple of days now, but I will keep green for everyone else. Let's go, Jericho. Actually, I'm slacking on slacking on alerts. I don't really see anything that again, most of these positions are positions that you guys have been watching the entire morning. So don't really feel, I don't really see an alert that I want to send yet. Alrighty. BTCT bounced off that demand zone and the 200, so that might have been something, but don't really feel comfortable with that yet. For an exactly great, exactly. So sometimes again we want to send alerts in the morning, right? But it's not always like, sometimes these are names we've been you guys have been watching all morning, that you just have to kind of go with the vibe, right, and not just an alert. So absolutely Grim. Let's go, Raven. Come on, let's go. Thank you very much, Raven. See what three out of 10 now. 3 out of 10. So I like this whole thrusting goal thing. I like it. I kind of like it. YouTube knows how to make monies, huh? These dudes know how to make money. I guess that's why but yeah, I kind of like it. Anyways, So we get to 10 and then we thrust. And then we thrust. So the S&P is nice and green now. Yeah. And it looks like we're retesting FOXO. Yep. So again, give these things time to just, play back and forth. LGMK is looking really good though, Grim. Really good. Really, really good. Let's go, Pyro. Let's go. Thank you very much, Pyro. It's good to see you back in the community. There goes 26 cents for LGMK. Congratulations. William, let's go, William. Thank you very much as well. Let's go, Pyro. Let's go. Thank you, William. Thank you very much. Yeah, if you're holding LGMK, type in yes in the chat. If you're holding LGMK, type in yes in the chat. That's Williams 10th super. Was it Pyros? I think it's Williams. BJDX. Interesting. Okay. Let's go. Thrust beat time. Let's go. Come on, Grim. Make it rain. There goes 27 cents almost for you, Grim. So you're nice and green on this thing. Congratulations. And again, thank you very much for bringing the useless goats with you. Love it, Grim. Thank you very much. Alrighty. And we're halfway there now to the thrust beats. Huh. Maybe YouTube knows what they're doing. Huh. Let's go. So that looks good. Yeah, Chris said yes. Eric said yes. Grim is obviously in this. So again, Bradley, you're in it as well. You made $500. Chase, well done. Well done. Love it. I like it. There goes 27 cents, guys. So again, congratulations. And Grim, fire call out, by the way. Fire, fire, fire. Fire, fire, fire. So again, if you follow Grim into this one, you're very happy. Alrighty? Very, very happy. So congratulations. Oh no, Josh. There goes 27, 103%. Let's go. Yeah, we're definitely gonna get to the thrust beats, huh? Yup. Are you in it? Okay. Runner left. Perfect. There goes 28 cents, Grim. 107%. FOXO is still doing okay, right? So FOXO is retesting the level we wanted it to retest, and it's holding above. So $1.05, right? It's obviously creating a lot of supply between $1.15 and $1.20 for a reason, but let's see if we can keep consolidating. Alrighty. The closer we get to 30 cents, though, guys, be careful, right? Between 28 and 30 cents for LGMK, people are going to start to take profits. It's the usual. Let's go, virus. So again, the closer we get to 28 to 30 cents, people, again, these are just psychological levels that people like taking profits at. For LGMK, look at that. We're back to 25 cents, right? So the more you watch these charts, the more you realize that there's levels on the chart that people just like to sell at, right? Thrusting for virus, let's go. Come on, Grim. Come on, Josh. Wait, you mean to tell me that we get the thrust beats? Yeah, we do. Damn, YouTube really did. Oh, there's only two more left, guys. Two more super chats, and then it's thrust time. Thrust time. So, Josh, thank you very much. Grim, thank you very much. So again, a bit of a retrace. Maybe this is just a retest of 25 cents though. So watch 25 cents in the 9 EMA for LGMK. And then for CERO, it looks like we're finally consolidating at 26, actually, above the VWAP. So this thing is going to need to cross the 20 in the coronal though for me to feel comfortable with it. So get back above 28 cents and then we're ready to push back to 30 cents. Alrighty. FOXO looks okay still because it's holding that 105, right? But then you have resistance at 115 to 120. Raven that's a yeah, interesting, isn't it? I like it. So come on, LGMK, turn back around. Yeah. Huh. See, I thought this whole like goal and only being a super chat was a bit of a scam, but it's not a scam because we make because I make monies, you two make monies, and we get to thrust. So I like it. Did you sell too early? No, you did not. You did not. Right. The reason I say you did not is because there's a lot of resistance up there. Alrighty, there's a lot of resistance up there. Let's go, Pyro. Let's go, Azul. Come on. Let's thrust. Thrust naked, everybody. Did we make it, guys? Oh, let's go. We made it. Thanks to the participants. Our hot rates just achieved the goal. Let's go. Goal achieved, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go look for the thrust beats. So FOXO needs to break out 115 already, and then it's 120. Cool. Cool. Okay. Yeah, let's go, guys. You know what would be nice? Let's go, Mark. Let's go. We need bigger goals. Yeah, we do actually. This was too easy. Yeah, I don't think we want to do too much in one day. So maybe tomorrow again we can do another goal. But let me go look for the thrust beats, guys. No, it's neighbors. Neighbors get scared. It's time for you to close the curtains because what you're about to do is unacceptable. Anyways, let me find the thrust beats, guys. And come on, everybody. Do I need to remind you about what's gonna happen right now? I don't, right? Come on. Come on. I need some stretching, guys. We need to stretch. Put those hands up in the air and move to the right and move to the left. Come on. Rotate those hips, please. From left to right. Move those hips because it's time to stretch. And when the beat drops, we thrust. Come on. Let the beat drop. Come on, people. I need you to put your hands up in the air while I get Spider Man. Give me those fist pumps, please. And what? And thrust. And what? Come on. Get naked. Let the beat drop. And what? And thrust. Make monies. Get naked. And what? Come on. Go, go. Go, go. Give me the eye contact, please. I want to see your eyes. Show me eye contact. And what? And thrust. To the left. To the right. And slide. Come on. Go, go. Make my knees. Get naked. And what? And thrust. When Lambo to the sun. At night. Let the beat drop. Let the sweat drop. And what? And thrust. Go, 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 go. Come on, people, put those hands up in the air, please. If you're feeling shy because you're walking in public, put those hands up in the sky. Don't let anybody see you though. And what? And thrust. If you're still in bed, you're hiding somewhere in the house, get on the floor, one hand on the ground. Oh, we missed it. Dang it. Okay. Well, thank you very much for participating, guys. That was a lot of fun. Let's do that more often. I like it. I like it. It was only getting started. I like it. Josh, thank you very much for the super chats. That was fun, actually. See, thrusting with that was a lot more fun than just thrusting, I feel like. Did anybody feel that? I don't know. I felt that way. Uh, uh, computer sciences, Josh. Okay, let me go back to the chats. Okay, that was your workout for the day, Trevor. I like it. Okay, let's go back to healthy music, guys. Let's go back to you know, safe for the kids music. Yeah. Let's go, Dan. Yeah, that you felt that in your soul, Grim. Yeah, this was a lot more fun. I enjoyed this one way more than Maybe it's because there were super chats, but anyways, let's go, Jeff. Sounds naughty. That's okay. That's how it's meant to be. Yeah. Anyways, okay, back to Dogecoin. Dogecoin is back to 37 cents, which is good. So The next major resistance hasn't changed. It's still 40 cents, right? Still 40 cents. Bitcoin also kind of curling slowly. Again, you can't really see that because we're looking at a 15-minute time frame, right? But it's holding above the 200 and it's holding 85,000. So that's good. Cool. Cool. And so if you took profits on LGMK, guys, congratulations, right? There's nothing wrong with that. Again, people tend to sell between 28 and 30 cents on penny stocks. So when we get there and you see a little bit of weakness, especially when you're looking at the golden candle and a supply zone, yeah, that's maybe confirmation, right? If you're not getting any signs of resistance, then keep the position. But if it's giving you signs already at 28 cents and you know that it's a problem, maybe take some gains. Alrighty. FOXO is still playing with that same level, guys. That 105 we talked about, it's still playing back and forth, right? But Bill, good job on selling, right? Again, you took profits at resistance. There's nothing wrong with that. So for now, we need to break above $1.15 if we want to cook. Alrighty. We need to break out if we want to cook. BTCT, nothing, right? Super, super weak. So there's really nothing to see there. And then CERO is still playing around. So yeah, the most fun thing we've done today was, follow Grim in Discord and Thrust on YouTube's. So yeah, come on, Foxo, you can do it. Why do we just keep going back and forth here? It gives you that vibe like it wants to do it, but it's not quite doing it yet. But you know it wants to do it. You know, giving the vibes. There we go, 113. Why is it so slow? It's like 1 penny at a time. Okay, make sure the live WTVGN. La, 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 la. Oh, Jeff was thrusting in really in a hole, guys. He posted a video. Oh my goodness, Jeff. There goes 114, guys. 115. There we go. Let's see if we can close above. Again, we need to break and close above, and then 120. New highs of the day. Look at that. We're failing again. They're at the exact same level, right? So that level is resistance then. A little bit of resistance. But hopefully it can break above LGMK. Not sure if we're really consolidating yet, but we retested that last line at the fence, right? This little line at 2250, right? That was our last breakout. That's why we had this line here. So it looks like we just came back with a retest. So from 28 cents back to 2250. So let's hope we can stay above this level and then push back up. Right, confirmation for that might be a break and close. Like if we actually close above like 2440, then we might be ready for the upswing. Alrighty, and then FOXO. I think FOXO is the one. If you're still holding FOXO, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat because I think this is the one that more people are interested in this morning. Okay, there we go. There goes 120, guys. Yeah, you could tell like it was giving you vibes like a 1 or 2. I know a lot of you guys are in this one, so yeah, love it. Ayo, what's up, Kimbella? For you today, yeah. There you go. So congratulations, guys, because I know a lot of you guys are in this one, right? So let's go, FOXO. So FOXO just hit new highs of the day. New highs of the day, FOXO. FOXO the Fox says, let's cook. So 124. Let's see. Once we close above this 120 then I'm gonna zoom out and look for the next level. But for now, though, I just want to see what this candle actually does here. Alrighty. Manisa, okay, 22.6. Bernie, well done. Well done. So 42. Yeah, let's see here. Okay, I missed that. So there goes 126. 126. What's your position in Dogecoin? You asking for prediction again? There's really no predictions for Dogecoin. I'd love to, we would love to tell you, but don't think we can really give you a number though. We can give you levels though, but yeah. Anyways, so again, let's see if we can get a few more candles consolidating above $1.20, because it really is just, break and then buy, right? So there has to be a bit of consolidation above that. The S&P came back down to retest the open. I think the markets just need a bit of consolidation, right? Like, we're going down, we're coming back up, back to the middle. The markets just need consolidation. Bitcoin is going back for 87, which is good. LGMK is still holding 2250, which is good. But we're really failing to close above that 2440 we need for confirmation, though, right, guys? So again, yeah, we're holding support, but we're not quite breaking above the upside to pump it back to the 30 cents. Um, Alrighty, CERO is holding a demand zone now at 2350-ish and the 200. So watch closely. And Dogecoin is still just slowly pushing, which is good. There goes FOXO. FOXO just needs time above $1.20. Let's see where this candle closes, and then we'll go from there. Wolf has earnings today, Jeff, or when? So Bill got in at 106 and then out at 122. Bill, there you go, right? So again, Bill, perfect, right? Why? Because we know there's support at 105. So if you're gonna take a gamble, you might as well gamble as close to support as possible and then make monies. So Bill, give me a high five. Well done, right? Well done, well done, well done. Love it. So these candles are doing an amazing job of holding above 120, which is what we want. Let me zoom out a little bit on FOXO, guys. I want to see what a bigger time frame looks like, because again, 120 was that resistance, and you can see, like, right away when you zoom on, you can see $1.30, right? You can see every 10-cent increment actually. So $1.30, $1.40, $1.50, and then it just continues that way, right? So I just wanted to see what that daily chart looked like for resistance. So this might be a perfect scalp name, right? Just because it's going to give you so many opportunities. For now, again, it's doing a good job of holding above $1.20. So let's hope we stay above $1.20. But then $1.30 is your next resistance. XBP. What's your question about XBP? Why are you spamming so many different names? Yeah. Josh, I told you, January 1st, Jan 1st, Bitcoin is back to 87. January 1st, Josh. I'm going to zoom in and on the one again. I like looking at the 1 minute, the 15-minute time frame, guys. But there's a different feeling when you zoom in and you can see, like, Bitcoin on a 1 minute time frame, and you can see the nice green candles. Dogecoin is also back to 38 cents. So clearly we're going back for 40 cents, right? So that looks really good there. So Doge looks good. Bitcoin looks good. S&P confused. FOXO is fighting to stay above $1.20. LGMK looking a bit sus now because we could not break above 24.40. Alrighty, we couldn't do it. CERO is curling off a demand zone though, right? So CERO looks better than LGMK for now. But yeah. Thoughts on Palantir? You're in at $60. You're in Palantir at $60. What's your stop loss at? What's your plan with Palantir? Right? If you're buying Palantir at $60, you have to have a plan. So what's the plan? Is it a long-term investment? What is it for you? 130. Mullen had news. Mullen Class 1 EV cargo van available on Turo, largest vehicle sharing marketplace. Okay, everything is available on there. So Mullen will announce anything that they can announce to pump the stock, and yet the stock is still garbage. It's too don't be too late. I know, Josh. Josh looked at me when he said too late. Unbelievable. Was hearing 70 plus for long term, should have waited for a better buying opportunity. I'll take a look. I'll take a look at Palantir. Mullen is your favorite. Why am I not surprised? At all-time highs. Those are some big. Yeah, exactly. Palantir is at $60, right? Um, Quite high. CERO is looking, again, like we said. CERO looks better than LGMK because CERO is actually consolidating and curling, whereas LGMK looked a bit sus. But for LGMK though, your next support is 21 cents. So if LGMK can stay above 21 cents, that's okay too. Cool. And then for FOXO, guys, it's $1.30 there next, right? So FOXO is looking good, especially since FOXO is holding above the breakout, right? So retesting and holding the breakout. but your next resistance is $1.30. So can we break above that level? Yes, we can. Would be nice. So looking good. Here we go. BJDX is still slowly creeping up too. So I know Ken was asking for the next resistance here. So Ken, there's $1.30 for you. $1.30. So congratulations, guys. If you are in FOXO, make sure you move the stop loss up or you scale out on the way up, right? So move your stop losses up, scale out on the way up. This is a pretty nice run. And a lot of you guys are in way below $1. So congratulations. Again, LGMK just needs to stay above 21 cents. Alrighty. CERO has a little bit of resistance. If you're in it, CERO, 28.50. So alrighty. So again, support at 24, resistance at 28.50, and then 30 cents. Crushing, Josh. Okay. BTCT is doing well, almost like it's following Bitcoin, right? Nice bounce. $4.10. Did I miss? Yeah. Okay, there we go. That's a pretty nice pop, actually. That's a pretty nice pop. I'm surprised this thing didn't halt. It has to be halted on this candle, right? I'm pretty sure they just halted it. China name. Yeah. $5. That thing just went from 445 to 535. Like, that's just ridiculous. That is just ridiculous. I mean, it looked good before that, though, right? You could see it curling and back above the 9, the chrono, the 200, the VWAP. It crossed above every damn thing, right? It crossed above everything that was resistance. And then there was no resistance and it just exploded up, right? So pretty nice pump. Dogecoin looks really good, guys. Bitcoin looks fine. The S&P looks okay. It looks like we filled at $1.30 exactly for FOXO, and we're coming back down, right, to potentially retest the 200, the 20 there. And then obviously BTCT is halted, right? LGMK still holding 21, which is good. And CERO needs to break above 28.50. Yeah, that was a nice pop. Very, very nice pop. 420 is always magic. Yeah, nice dip. CDT, can it run? Jason, what's your position in CDT? Let me know. Again, if you have a question, guys, give me as much details as possible. Let me take a look at some of these stocks you guys are asking for, though. Otherwise, I'm just gonna keep ignoring. But, anyways, so someone was asking for Palantir, right? So you got into Palantir $60. Palantir is at $59 now. You bought Palantir $2 from all-time highs. Palantir is an amazing company, amazing stock. This stock has been cooking, right? One of the best performers this year. It's up 93% in the last three months, right? 200% in the last year. That's impressive, right? So again, beautiful retest at $40. There will always be a dip at some point, so I think you kind of rush into this one. Hopefully, this is a long-term position for you, like you said. Hopefully, you're scaling in, right? When you're excited about a long-term investment and it's at all-time highs, you believe in it anyways. Don't just go all in. Scale in slowly. Righty, CDT. What is CDT doing here? So your question is, will it run? I mean, it looks like it's sitting at support above 9 cents, right? So this is one of those things that you have to look at the SEC filings, make sure that it's not about to do a split, delisted, blah, 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 and then set a tight stop loss. As long as this thing stays above 9 cents, you have a chance. Alrighty? Cool. Cool. So CERO failed at 28.50, surprise, resistance. BTCT is still halted. FOXO came back down to potentially retest right after hitting resistance. And yeah. Good morning, Doche. What's cooking? So let's see here. BJDX, another high of the day. Yeah. Okay, 150,000 shares. Okay, Jason, yeah, just make sure you have a plan with that position and you've done the research. Like you looked at a few SEC filings. Because these penny stocks are notorious for doing random splits, right? But there's always an SEC filing. Okay, let me go ahead and look at BJDX, guys, because again, it's not really doing anything crazy, but it's slowly creeping up. BJDX. AMC. AMC has been getting some weird hype. Yeah. I'm sure some of you guys are holding BJDX. Doesn't see case for Fed digital dollar. Well, then let Bitcoin cook then. I still think the Fed people talk too much, but that's just me. That is just me. Dogecoin looks nice. Very, very nice. Like very, very nice. That was a good dip actually. Closer to 30 cents. That was a good dip because now we're pushing for 39 cents. There it goes. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. If you're holding Doge, type in yes in the chat. Watch. The entire chat is gonna go yes, 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 yes. Beautiful. Okay. Uh, okay, there we go. 39 pennies. 39 pennies for Dogecoin. Let's see if FOXO can find a way to stay above the 50. So $1.10. Watch $1.10. CERO needs to break out of that little wedge, ready? And then BJDX is still copy. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. There's a nice supply zone up there too, though, isn't there? Very nice supply zone. Doge 18 cents, yeah. Yeah, no, to Treasury. Yeah, sometimes the Fed people just yap and yap and yap, you know. They just yap and yap and yap. Will LGMK hit $1? No. Maybe after a split. I don't know. There are a whole bunch of penny stocks cooking today, actually, right? NCNC is another one that just had a nice little pop. Nice little pop. Did SPY go red? Yeah, the S&P went red, guys. So clearly the markets are confused. You know what I like seeing more often than I like seeing the yeah, there we go. Trying Doge. Okay. Yeah, that one was on the list earlier, and then I just base hits. Yeah, yeah. That one was on the list earlier. I just stopped looking. XBP. Yeah, it's trying to curl up the bottom after that sell off. Uh, maybe la 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 la. Yeah, Mark has been cooking, cooking. Mark. Okay, perfect. Oh yeah, there are no accidents. There are no accidents. Do 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 do. Okay, BJTX. Perfect. Okay, BCT is still halted, guys. So just waiting for that thing to on halt. And then FOXO is holding $1.10 for now. See if we can stay above that. This is a ridiculous halt, though. When stuff like that happens, it's very annoying, actually. Very, very annoying. Okay, there we go. Boomskis, Christopher. What's going Boomskis? Dogecoin? Yeah, see, I like what CERO is doing. There goes CERO. I think that's what you're referring to. Yeah. So CERO finally broke above the little wedge, right? Yeah, beautiful. So congratulations if you're holding that. Alrighty, CERO. Ayo Rob. T12 for what, Josh? BCTT. No, volatility halt, just a regular halt, Josh. Yeah, otherwise, yeah, that thing would be dead. Spy new low center. Yeah, yeah, Spy's getting slapped a little bit. Volatility halt. Okay, there we go. So that 30 cents is still your next resistance, though. Alrighty, 30 cents on that. FOXO just seems to be going back and forth for now. So the easy trade for FOXO was the breakout or the retest of that support after the market opened, right? Good morning, Eddie. Yeah, thank you, Jay. Thank you. Yeah, so a minute. But yeah, so the easier trade this morning was either being in already when it was being spammed in Discord and finding support at 95 cents, or the second retest of $1 or $1.05, and then boom skis, right? So now let's see if we can consolidate above $1.10. BC, oh my God, damn. You guys seeing this? Are you guys seeing that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And it's halted again, 709, 181%. Wow. Oh my days. That's pretty impressive. That's pretty impressive. That's very nice. Wow. Kimbella, you made $800. It went so fast, you got scared. So you sold it. You were in this one. My goodness. Oof. My goodness. Yeah, AFC got in at 593 out at 709. Oof. You ordered, didn't fail? Damn. Yeah, it's a Bitcoin name. Obviously, it's gonna cook, I guess. Of course, it's a Bitcoin name. Oof. My goodness. Uh, Sheesh. That's very impressive. It went to 10. Yeah, now it's gonna open even higher, right? Yeah. Now it's gonna open even higher. Behind, yeah. Yeah. What's the float in this thing? 1.1 point, yeah. There you go. So less than 2 million. And volume has gone from 115,000 to 34 million. So you do the math. Do the math. Is boomskis. Crazy. Yeah, it did, Grim. It really did. Yeah. LGMK is going nuts. No, LGMK is doing exactly what it's supposed to do, which is hold 21 cents and pump back up, right? So again, that 21 cents for LGMK is held really nicely. If you got in closer to the bottom, it looks better now, right? So let's see if we can get back to that 28. Do the math, Grim. Do the math. So LGMK is doing what it's supposed to do. CERO's done what it's supposed to do. FOXO is doing what it's supposed to do. All these stocks are doing what they're supposed to do, right? FOXO is retesting and holding. LGMK, 21 cents back up. You're in at 22, Raven. Monies. 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 See, CERO failed at 30 cents. Is it supposed to do that? Yeah, at 30 cents resistance. Bitcoin is going up. Is this supposed to be going up? Yeah. Doge is going up. Yeah, it's supposed to be going up. So Will says I got in at 438, but can't find an off ramp off this halt. Will, if I find you, I will fight you. Put a market sell or put a limit sell. It will fill immediately as soon as it on halts. Will, as soon as that thing on halts, you've doubled your monies because it's gonna open above $9, right? Money's doubled, Will. So that's gonna be your daily goal. Alrighty. Days ago, you did made a little yeah, Travis. It's annoying when that happens, isn't it? Because at some point the stock will halt down. That's when people are gonna panic. People don't panic when the stock is halted up, right? They're like, oh yeah, it's gonna go to 7 and then 10 and then 20, right? But as soon as it halts down, they're like, oh, wait, this stock was $4. Oh no, I'm in at $7. Let me get the hell out. Yep. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. It really helps. So take a second, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, guys, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot and come join us in Discord. Alrighty? Come join us in the Discord. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Travis, how come you're not a member? Are you a member? You did reach 591. Yeah. Jay, keep an eye on the on halt time, and then let us know, please. Keep an eye and let us know, please, and thank you. Come on, Doge, get back to 39 cents. Bitcoin just hit the highest it's been since we got on stream. So Bitcoin was sad we weren't on stream, you know. FOXO just keeps going back and forth now. CERO again, 30 cents resistance. Surprise. XBP's done a good job curling, but resistance at 135, 136. And then obviously BTCT is running ZOM. It's been a long time since I heard that name. Long time. Long time. But yeah, NCNC is still slowly creeping up, right? Funny enough, was it a workhorse we were talking about yesterday, Josh? That one's up 38% as well. Interesting. Okay, perfect. Why does it keep doing that? Let's go, Travis. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, please, and thank you. uh, oh, I see. I see. That it might continue to yes, it usually goes to the buy side when it's halted up, and the bid was above $9, so it tells you that it's going to open higher, but the longer it stays, then that number changes. Yeah. Chris, yeah. uh Spending maybe too much time together. Trying to give Liz a chance. I know. What link is that? Link is that? Interesting. Submit or change order during a halt. I think what Swim does, Jack. AODD. AO. Okay, let's give it a second there. Ayo, ayo. Let's see. FOXO? Yeah, FOXO got rejected. Back to 105. We're right back to 105. What's the high there? Yeah, we might need to get rid of NVIDIA there, huh? NVIDIA is showing some momentum, some strength. Some strength. Some strength, NVIDIA. Be back soon? Okay, sounds good, Grim. That's why. That is why. Okay. Come on, give us the on halts. Trash video. I know, right, Virus? Mullen is up 23%, guys. Mullen is like, hey, guys. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. I think it's sitting right at resistance, Virus, but it doesn't want to give us the, no, the big slap. CERO? Yeah. No, CERO is fighting that 30 cents. So if we can break above, that would be a really good thing. And then 33 cents after that, highs of the day. Highs of the day. There we go, guys. Unhalted. And there goes 777 790. I wonder if that thing is halted again, actually. 8330. Yeah, is it halted again, guys? I feel like if it's halted again, this is a bit of a scary halt. I feel like this halt is a bit scary to me. So yeah. 16 last year. So the other three, though, one of those, Doug. I mean, you just have to stay forever now, huh? Repeat the explanation about how to do the stops, Burush. What's your position? What are you holding, and what do you need a stop for? Yeah, this halt is a bit scary, but it's halted up. So yeah, yeah. It's another thing. If we were halted above $8, $9, $10, easy, right? We keep going. So just be a little bit careful, please. Just be a little bit careful, please. Out at 670. Well done, Bill. Well done. Give me a high five. Well done. So yeah, let's see what happens when this thing on halt again, right? It's halting every 2 seconds. It's interesting how they dropped it and then pumped it. But Bitcoin is dipping a little bit, guys, right? Back into the 86s. Dogecoin obviously is going to follow, right? FOXO is still playing with $1.05 and $1. So you need to see that thing curl first, though. The S&P is, doing what the S&P does. And CERO wants to break 30 cents now. Well done. Yeah, I mean, Will, honestly, like progress, seeing a trade and taking a trade, even if it's paper, it still feels good, doesn't it? So, yeah. Back to CERO, Christopher. Well done. Congratulations. Uh, Wait, wasn't that the same? No, 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 no. Actually, one second, guys. Okay. Right. Yeah, there we go. Good morning, Maddie. Ayo, ayo. See, I Doge with a bit of a retracement there, but we're waiting for BTCT. That's a cool name, isn't it? Rita, have you played with anything yet this morning, or you just watching for now? What? Love it, virus. Love it. Let's go, virus. Love it. Monies. Somebody slap Amazon. Slap it. Slap it. BTM, I'll take a look. I'll take a look. You got your daily go back? Give me a high five. Well done. Well done. Well done, guys. There goes the on halt. Actually, it on halted higher, guys. Actually, it on halted higher. This thing is all over the place, though. Like it really is all over the place. It was $8.30. Now it's $7.20 and 7.40. Look at that. Now it's $6 and whatever. Yeah, this thing that's why I think that's why we said that on halt was a bit scary, is because it's all over the place. So again, manage your position as you see fit, guys. Manage your position as you see fit, please and thank you. Alrighty, manage your position as you see fit. 7:30. Yeah, it's way too crazy now. It's easy when it's yeah, all the signal channels you have to be a legend member. Yeah, we just yeah, and not the option signal this morning. Did virus made 12% on that? Anybody else take that? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that thing is the markets are just very confused. Very, very confused. Very, very confused. We're gonna end up hitting new lows of the day and then I'm gonna end up regretting it, but it is what it is. Yeah. Yeah. You did? Let's go official. Official made easy 10% on that signal, right, guys? Again, if you're not in the options channel, you're missing out. If you're not a legend, you're missing out. And everything else that we create going forward will be legends, right? So every single thing, um, everything cool that we do is going to be legends. So yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, NVIDIA actually looks good. NVIDIA actually does look good. Yeah, we should have taken those NVIDIA calls, Virus. Yeah. Yeah, those 152s. NVIDIA just hit new highs of the day. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Unbelievable. Thoughts on Bitcoin? Are we going to see another few months of consolidation? No, we will not. We shall not. Yeah. As soon as Nvidia broke out there, we should have taken those calls. Oh yeah, I got I was watching two different things, Amazon and Nvidia. So then I took one and then I forgot about the other one. Now Nvidia is cooking. Nvidia just hit new highs there. Yeah. Anyways, well, on to the next, guys. On to the next. On to the next. Nvidia just hit a supply zone below 150, so I think it's gonna need to give us deep skis. Deep skis. Yeah. Now I wish we on to the next, exactly, official. But I do wish we took Nvidia over Amazon though. How to catch you outside. Yeah. Oh no, I'm not looking for Nvidia puts. Unless Nvidia fails at 150, then okay. Then it depends. Like, is it a day trade position or is it a long term option play? You know. But yeah, yeah. Yeah, again, the option signal channel is legends only. The swing is legends only. The HT signal legend only. Yeah, everything basically. You're short from 2540 JR. I'll take a look. Mark your words. I mean, if Bitcoin keeps moving in the direction that it's moving and Dogecoin keeps following like that, yeah. Yeah. Okay, let me look at some of these other names, guys, because I've been really been slacking. Let me start off by looking at MU. So Micron for virus. Let me pull up the daily here first. Micron looks like it's. I think the last time we played. Well, yeah, no. The last time we played with Micron was coming off that double bottom. It would have been so much nicer, but like Micron is actually retesting the 200 on the daily, which you would think is a pretty important level, right? So if Micron can keep closing candles above like 103, so at the end of each day, if we're closing above 103 virus, that might be a spot. If we're starting to close below that level, we're potentially looking for hundreds for Micron. Mara, you're short at 25. Okay, that's a pretty good short. Just don't let it break out above 25 again. That thing has to stay below 25 if you're short. Alrighty. You mentioned another name earlier. I forgot about that though. Yeah, like, remind me of these names, guys. Uh, Canada, Nate's no. I use Square Trade. The no. The best one, Nate, is Interactive Brokers for low fees. BTM. Sympathy. Oh, Bitcoin Depot. Oh, okay. Um, huh. That 350 supplies and it hit today and got slapped, almost like a double top, right? This time frame really isn't going to give me much because all it shows me is that it's failed that resistance, right? Like it showed me that hey, this level is a big problem, and the algo shows you that too. Let me pull up the 4 hour though, because at this point with stuff like this, honestly, you just wait for the breakouts, right? Like I almost would. So two things I would think about doing here. I would think about maybe gambling if we stay above 250. Like okay, entry Stop loss at 249, or simply just wait for a break above $3, and then it's 330 after that. In middle of making an account with IB. Okay, there you go, Nate. Yeah, stuff is just going to scale. Yeah. Uh, yeah, workhorse. Yeah, yeah, we did workhorse, and the people heard us, and then boom skis. I think gapped up 60%. Yep, somebody heard us. Yup. Dang it, Amazon is going back up again, guys. Going back, see opsies. Uh, yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, Amazon. Ooh, not Amazon. Sorry, Nvidia. Nvidia looks good. We definitely should have taken Nvidia. Nvidia was the. Good morning, Sal. Good morning. Good morning. BTCT guys is unhalted and it's still doing what it's doing. I guess, right? So back to $7. So again, selling in the sevens to eights, perfect, right? As soon as that thing started skipping back and forth like that, it was a bit of a problem. So don't think we're overly concerned about that. LGMK, if you're still holding this thing, guys, watch that 21 cents, right? 21 cents is still your level. And then CERO, clearly 30 cents is a problem. I like what CERO is doing though, because if that thing breaks 30 cents and holds 30 cents, it's going for 33 cents. Right? I like the way that it's trending up, like the higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. I like when stocks do that because when they actually do break, they can do well. You know? They can do wells. Welcome back, Tish. Welcome back. Welcome back. FOXO. FOXO has just been going back and forth. That was actually not too bad of a retest of the 200 for people that like to play up the 200. The S&P double bottoms potentially, maybe. We'll see. We shall see. MSTX. Yeah. Your. Yeah, I don't really see. Again, I know some of you guys might have been waiting for stock signals, guys. I don't really see anything that I like. Super like. Maybe LGMK up 21 cents, but yeah, don't really see anything that I super like. Maybe a CERO can break out. But everything is a penny stock and they all look kind of sus. So that's why we do options instead. Meta, let me take a look. Yeah, Meta got a ridiculous price target upgrade, isn't it? Meta, I think it was Meta this morning. My goodness, that thing's so slow. Ooh, Meta is Meta calls. Meta looks interesting, doesn't it? But Meta also needs to break out. Oh, okay, that's I can see why you're looking for those calls, Virus. Right, so clearly Meta has resistance at 600, but I think you're looking for a smaller time frame on a retest, and it looks what looks like a cup and handle. Yeah, off the 50. Yeah, I can see what you're looking at there, Virus. Yeah, it's one of those things where like, yeah, I can see what you're looking at, but it's also in the middle. Like it's right in the middle. Like this thing would be so much nicer at 580 or a break above 590 and then resistance at 600. I just looked at BTM, Baruch. What's your question? Let me know. Yeah, for a quick trade, yeah. Because once you zoom out too much, it doesn't quite, you can't see it. But yeah, you could see that resistance though. It hit that resistance and got rejected. Hard rejection. So technically what we should be waiting for, Virus, is all the way back to 580, right? That 580 is the spawn. Now it's in the middle. Like there's resistance right there, the support right there. It's in the middle. So then it makes it really hard because is it going to reverse back up? for cup and handle, or is it going to come back down? Stuff like that is very hard. Very, very hard. Hunting MSTX discounts, the levels, the support. So mini test. Josh, yeah, agreed. Ooh, NVIDIA got rejected there. What's the S&P doing here? What is the S&P going to do? Are we gonna break that double bottom? Are we gonna break that double bottom, or is it time for a gamble call virus? It weirdly is consolidating, isn't it? It's a bit scary, but yeah, CERO just failed that resistance, right, Sonny? So 30 cents, major resistance. So even though we really like something, right? Even though we really like CERO, you never touch it until it actually breaks. If you do jump in, tight stop loss. Tight stop loss. Anybody tempted by spy calls? Anybody? 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 Come on, spy. Come on now. Come on now, spy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Spy's like, okay, you feel like yeah. Apple? Oh yeah, I need to look at Apple. Look at Apple. AAPL. No virus is asking, and other people asking for this one too. Are you looking for some Apple calls? Do 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 do. I know you're day trading these, so yeah. If you're day trading these, I would almost would wait for a breakout because you are sitting right at resistance there. So 222224, 22470. So almost wait for that level to be broken. You are virus? Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good, virus. Come on, Spy, give me a dip. Give me a dip. Spy's like, I've been giving you dip skis. I love the pivots adding option trading. Option, yeah, let's go, Yogi. Absolutely. Spy's like, hey, this is the dip you wanted. This is the dip you wanted, Spy. Love it, Yogi. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Let's see here, actually. Let's see. Why am I muted? Why am I muted? Anyways, thank you, Josh. Yeah, no, I was saying, again, that was a nice little consolidation bottom there. Will and Josh mentioned earlier, so very nice shout. No, I was muted. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you, thank you. Damn! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, that thing is cooking. There's nothing else you could have done with like exiting your position, right? The only other thing you could have done here is sell that position and then got back in as it was consolidating. Other than that, there's no way you could have stayed in this position the whole time. No way, right? That's impressive. I'm surprised they haven't halted it this time. You know? Yup. No, Jay, you should be good now. Why is it doing the opposite of Bitcoin? Because it's a low float momentum play. Super low float momentum play. Yeah, they just halted it up. 973. Invalid now? Yeah, exactly, TK. Exactly. Spy's like, hey guys, you know what? Screw your Loto play. Screw your YOLO. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. If Spy breaks below the bottom, I think it's time to leave Spy behind. Uh, wait, why is my thing slow? Okay, there we go. Yeah, let me know what your question is. You were gonna short it. Good thing you didn't short it. Stocks like that are just irrational, honestly. So you get lucky, or yeah. So be very careful. Rita, are you in? Are you in this stock? Rich, 64%. Love it. Love it. Yeah, we might be. Yeah, might be time to say goodbye to Spy. Let the YOLO die. 197. What do you mean? Just happy? Rita, I like it. I like it. I want to see what Spy does in this candle, actually. I want to see what we do with this candle and then the opening of the next candle. Yeah, I don't like when there you go. XRP, is it finally moving, John? I mean, it was about time. It's the last thing on the list. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. What's Apple doing? Yeah, Apple failed at that double top, right, Jericho? Yeah. So yeah. Until that thing breaks above that level, you want to be a bit more cautious. A bit more on the cautious side. Could you take a look at Dogecoin, Daniel? Yeah, of course. What's your question for Dogecoin? What's your question for Doge? Doge almost hit. Doge was at 39 cents earlier, right? Support at 36 for now, 35ish. But yeah, what's your question though? Full market sus? Yeah, the entire market is just like it's just weird today. For a while now, Raven. Yeah, I know quite a few people have been in 3x. Well done. Okay, I'll take a look at that later. Because exactly, Doge. Everybody's like, oh, I want to go watch Bitcoin and crypto related names, BTCT, right? Just buy and hold, Raven. Yeah, that's where the money comes from. Dollar cost averaging and waiting a longer time. That's when the money hits. That's when the money hits. The other one is BTCS, right? So this one is BTCT. The other one's BTCS. So the other one's also hitting highs of the day now. LGMK has done a good job holding 21 cents, right? Done a good job. Okay, Apple just broke above that level, Jericho. Apple was like, hey, Jericho, you want a FOMO? So yeah, I finally broke above that. I want to look at BTCS though, just in case that thing starts to take off like the other one. What's the flow? Apparently they have earnings today. The volume isn't quite there like the other one, but yeah, this one has a bigger float. I bet you that's why people looked at the other one. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Is it a hold or scale? It's a scale out on the way up. It's not a hold. It's a pump and dump. Alrighty, it's gonna get slapped at some point. So make sure you take gains on the way up, please. My goodness, that thing is all over the place still. All over the place still. BTCM as well. Yeah, anything with a B and a T and a C. The rest of the Jericho, you were in it already. Okay, there you go. Good, 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 good. Showing signs. Yeah, anything with a B and a T, and then you can play with the other letters. But had to check Mullen. Only thing more. Yeah. Oh my God, guys, look at that thing go. $12. Oh wow, BTCT. Wow, 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 wow. 380%, guys. Oh my goodness. My goodness. My goodness. Wow. Sheesh. Hem- Let's see. Okay, let me see. That is impressive. BTM is now bouncing too. Yeah, anything with the B and a T since this morning, Sal. Congratulations. Honestly, it's FOMO. It's just FOMO. People jump into these things. Yeah. But listening, I feel like you're missing out, Dan. I know, right? My goodness. Martin, YouTube is corrupted me. Now we only thrust when we hit daily goals. YouTube daily goals. That's the only time now. I've been corrupted. So sorry. You can blame YouTube for that. Blame the YouTubes. Yeah. Blame the YouTubes. What's going on, Hannah? It's cooking is what's going on. Cooking. Yeah. Cooking. Uh Oh, Friday, Josh. Okay, YOLO money's 50. Okay, sounds good. Scaling 11% virus on those Apple calls. Very nice. Hannah, come join us in Discord and you would know, right? Come join us in Discord and you would know what BTCS is. Alrighty, what BTCT is. So let me pull up a screenshot, guys. Let me pull up a screenshot. Okay. I'm not gonna go all the way to the bottom when it was first mentioned. This thing was posted $2 last night in Discord. uh, so I'm just gonna pull up a screenshot, guys. I'm not gonna go all the way to the beginning. I'm not gonna go all the way to the beginning, but I'm just gonna show you guys what you're missing out by not being in Discord. I'm just gonna stop right there. Again, this is not the first time it was mentioned in Discord. Alrighty, but this is 4 a.m. this morning, was it? Yeah, this was 4 a.m., 4:30 this morning in Discord, guys. Right, you can see all the mentions. Right, clearly everybody was watching BTCT already in Discord this morning. Some people saw too soon, right? But this thing was already getting spammed since last night, right? Below $3 already. Um, and at the very top of the screenshot that you could see, like, the name is hidden. Some of the names are hidden because I'm on streamer mode. But you could see like asking for $10 by Friday, and the stock was still below $4. Right? The stock is below $4, and someone was asking for $10 already by Friday. Right? So again, these are the type of, and this is not the beginning of the conversation, but this is the type of stuff you miss when you don't have a community, right? You don't get to see stuff like that. So again, if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot if my stuff can work properly. Alrighty, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us. Stop missing out. Why is it doing that? I blame Dan. Every time my camera stops working, I blame Dan. Okay. It's Dan's fault. It's projected to go to 1271, which is it just did, Hannah. And now it's projected to go to $13, which it just did. So there it is, 1350. My goodness, guys, $14. My goodness. Yeah, I kind of don't like what the S&P is doing there, do we? Yeah, if it breaks below that, then that YOLO is gonna have to go. Uh, too late for it now. Yeah, too much weakness, Laura. So yeah. Watch. Now that we're out of it, it's gonna end up cooking, isn't it? Anyways, there goes. Look at that, guys. $16. $16, guys. 500%. $500, guys. 500%. Yeah, it obviously it's halted up again. Obviously, it's halted up again. Uh, my goodness. Yup. If you're still in this one, type in yes in the chat. If you're still in BTC, BTCT, type in yes in the chat. Wait, what does Snapchat announce? Yeah, two week. And that was always a YOLO for SPY there, especially when it's a week like that, YOLOs. Yeah, Robin, it's time for the other ones. Yup. Just check the time. Yeah. You got in at 260. Are you still in it? Yeah. I wish I knew yeah. Hannah, again, invest in yourself. And then BTM was the one that you mentioned earlier, right? Anything with a B and a T or like a B and a C is cooking. Why? Because it's connected to Bitcoin. Now BCG is at the highs of the day as well. BTM hitting highs of the day. BTCS hit highs of the day. BTCT, obviously that's the one we're watching. And guess what just hit new highs of the day again? BTCM, right? So BTCM, all of them just cooking one after the other. Why? Because they have a B and a T and a C, and you can figure out the other letters, right? So these names should all be on your watch list though, because they've been spammed a few times. Alrighty, yeah. Um, so if you're in this one, congratulations. That was a good breakout actually. Stuff like this, you could have just waited for the breakout, right? You don't have to be in it; just wait for the breakout. BTCM is halted up now, guys. BTCM is halted up. Yeah. You wonder what tomorrow is going to look like? The market's only been open for like, what, 2 hours? Less, at an hour and a half. Why are we worried about tomorrow, Hannah? Again, invest in yourself. Stop slacking. Stop slacking. Uh, I know, right, Grim? Yup. Yeah, so again, if you want to join us in Discord, guys, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us. Make sure you sign up for the right level, though. Discord community, legend or gold, not the sold out levels. 32. Okay. Let's see, Jay. Thank you. Thank you. Interesting cap. Maybe those yeah. So this one should be next to on hold, guys. The music is a bit loud. But music a little bit loud. The right time. Sympathy, you did, Grim. Let's go. Yeah, when something runs, you always look for the sympathies. Always look for the sympathies. NVIDIA really got slapped at that resistance, 149.60. That was a good supply zone. Now it does seem to have a bit of support at 148.20 though. So let's see if it breaks below or curls above. There we go, $16, $16.70, guys. My goodness. My goodness. Sheesh. Yep. And now it's getting slapped, right? Or is it going to go right back up again? It's still all over the place. Again, manage the position as you see fit. Anna, sorry. Think of, yeah, I think you overpaid. Are they helping you, Hannah? Hopefully they're helping you though. Hopefully. You're out of 14. Okay, good. You made profits. Do going to yeah, absolutely. Spend as much time as you can in the education channel, Rita, and learn, right? Otherwise, the market will take your money. Because you look at this stuff and it seems easy to trade because it's just going up. It doesn't quite work that way. BTCM is still halted. And then BTCT is trying to figure out what it wants to do. $25, Eric, monies. Trying to figure out if I should sell stock at 38. Daniel, what did you get in at again? So I think you got in at 14 cents or something, right? I think. So Daniel, if that's the case, I think you're fine, right? What you should be doing is taking out your initial investment. So sell half of it, take out your initial investment, right? And then set a stop loss like below. So what I would do is I would sell half and take out my initial investment, and then I would put a stop loss for the rest right below 30 cents. Alrighty. Under delivered under education, I was so determined to learn and was willing to pay for it, Hannah. Yeah, that's unfortunate when people do that. That's unfortunate, Hannah. Sorry to hear. Sorry to hear. And you see differently? Absolutely, Raven. So again, yeah, there's a lot of stuff like that. There's a lot of stuff like that happening. A lot of stuff like that happening. Yeah, yeah, absolutely, absolutely, Josh. So selling the program, that is the best question for detailed. Yeah. Yo. Anyways, moving on. Let's see. Let's see what happens when BTCM gets unhalted, though. And then for BTCT, let's see if we can find a base. BTCS has earnings today. Crazy. They're gonna announce that they absolutely, Dan. Disrespect to you, absolutely, absolutely. Could not have said that any better. So could not have said that any better, Dan. Mara also has earnings today. Samuel, 370, $14. Give me a damn high five. What done? What done? Let's go 360. Let's go. Yeah, Doge is stuck at 38. That's what I'm saying, Daniel. Could you help me? I've answered the question already, Daniel, right? I've told you what I would do. You might be delayed, maybe, but I've already told you what I would do if I was in that position. BTCM is dropping, I think, because BTCT unhalted and dropped as well. So these names are all scams, guys. Every single one of them. They'll pump and dump. So make the money, take the money. AK, I know, right? Crazy, crazy, crazy. From $4 at the open to $17. Pretty nice. Let's go, Eric. Let's get a run of super chats. No, that's okay, Eric. Save those super chats for tomorrow so we can thrust. Thank you for the super chat, though, Eric. Thank you, thank you very much. Yeah, tomorrow we can set another goal and hit it. Thank you very much, to Eric. Thank you. Thank you. Amazon double bottom bought shares and calls for Friday. Azul, okay, sounds good. Well done, well done. Let's go, guys. Again, I'm gonna take a screenshot and post it in Discord. Samuel is Kofi in Discord, by the way, right? I will not save it for tomorrow. I want to thrust. You will deliver. Do we need to make another goal for today, guys? Do we need to make another goal? Because I'll do it. I would do it. Before we do that, though, I want to pull up another screenshot here from Kofi in Discord, right? Again, we keep telling you guys, like, invest in yourself. We have the best community, right? Best group of people that are willing to help you. That's Samuel that just posted that on YouTube. He also posted this in Discord, right? He got in at $3.70 and sold at $14. Samuel, if Samuel was not a member in Discord, Samuel would not have seen this, right? So from $3.77 $3.70 to $14, do you think that membership is paid for? More than paid for. So the reason why we keep yapping that you guys should be a part of a community, um, is because we see people succeed, right? Versus like we see people get into really nice positions when they're members, versus when they show up on YouTube, they're like, hey, can I get in now? And the stock is $14. Or they go find some random dude on stock tweets or YouTube, and it's at $16, and they're like, yeah, it's pumping, and then they jump in, and then they're holding bags, whereas they could have been in at the very beginning. Surely, yeah. So yeah, again, there you go. There you go. There you go. Josh, thank you for the super chat. I will not save it for tomorrow, and he will deliver no more cookies. Josh, thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, feelings and yeah, self reflection. Yeah, absolutely. Karen, insanely bullish. Okay. Not sure if I want to succeed. There will be no sucking seed. Uh, the there's a meme, guys. There's a meme. It's from like from Julian, from no one will be sucking seed, guys. It's from that's pretty funny how they can get this into cartoons, That's pretty funny. I want to play that video, but then we're gonna get copyright because obviously it's from a movie, which is stupid. Which is stupid. But yeah, I wish don't they have like gifts for them? Anyways, whatever. King Julian. uh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, no, exactly, exactly. We tell everybody to invest in themselves, right? Copyright, please. Let's go, virus. 41 months of goodness is all I can say. Virus, 41 months of goodness. I bow, virus. Yeah, Hannah, everybody to invest in themselves. So well done, Rich. So it's not a you thing; it's an everybody thing. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, they always find a way to ruin it, Josh. Especially if it's from a movie. uh, yeah, no, we tell everybody to invest in themselves. 41 months, guys. Where's the time gone, virus? Where's the time gone? That's me. I'll catch you all tomorrow. Okay, sounds good, Grim. Have a wonderful night. Get some rest. Much love. Ready? See you tomorrow. See you when you wake up. And we pretend that is tomorrow. Unbelievable. Australians. Let's go. Yeah. Later, later, Grim. 41 months. My goodness. Uh, perfect. My goodness. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's go, Joe. Not 41. I can only hope to get there. To 33 months on top of that 33. Joe, thank you very much for the, again, there's a whole bunch of you guys, right? A lot of the community has been together for a long, long time, We've made monies in different places, right? And we continue to learn and grow together. And thank you guys very much for the support, right? From Dan to Josh to again to Joe and Virus. Obviously, there's a whole bunch of people in the chat. a whole bunch. So thank you. Azul has been here for a long time. Thank you all very much for the support. And let's keep cooking together, please. Many more months of violence to come. Most people are here. Absolutely, Azul. Absolutely, absolutely. No, 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 no. Thanks to whoever called that. Beautiful. BTCS. How's Mindy doing? No, so the last time I heard from Mindy was right after. When was this? It's been a few months. I haven't said I haven't. Yeah, it's been a few months. It's been a few months since I heard from Mindy. But yeah, no, she was doing good though. But yeah, seriously, Josh. Seriously. No, 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 no. Holographic dreams. Apple is beautiful. Is it still going up? Wait, why is 1 inch right there? Currencies. Why is 1 inch at the top of my search? This is unacceptable. You know why 1 inch is at the top of the list? It's because of Noir. Unbelievable. Anyways, but I wanted to search Apple though. Looks like CERO is still holding 2450, isn't it? So let's see if it stays above it. FOXO obviously lost the momentum, but it's holding $1. So if you're still in there, make sure it stays above $1. Bitcoin is still retracing, guys, right below 86. Dogecoin obviously is going to retrace as well. You know, so virus, no, 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 no. They have a for that guy, for that rubbish. Yeah, GNPX was pushing a bit there too, and then BTCS is halted down. I mean, let's see if like BTCT can consolidate above $10. That would be the obvious support, right? That would be the obvious support. Yeah, GNPX is actually kind of looking good. Let me take a look. Take a look. GNPX. Yeah, that's a good breakout, right? Above 205. Yeah, a good breakout. And then the usual 230 resistance. The usual 220, 230 is always resistance on these penny stocks. I mean, not really a penny stock, but by definition, a penny stock. La, la. Let's go. Let's go. Is Bitcoin going to go up again? Yeah. The question is, how low does it go before it goes back up? Why my red candle is hollow? Because of an imbalance rash, right? So whenever there's an imbalance in selling or buying, there's going to be a hollow candle. I think Rob was getting rid of that with the update. Maybe Rob? Maybe? I don't remember now. $20% now, virus, for those calls. Like it. Grimes, 268. Yeah, hopefully not. You're in red with BTCT. What did you buy at, Mano? What did you buy BTCT at? Again, that thing is cooked from $2, $3 to $17, right? So what did you end up buying it at? Let me know. And just turn fair value gaps. Okay, there you go, Rob. Yeah, because that thing seems to be confusing a lot of you guys. Seems to be confusing some of you. You got in at 1380. Yeah, I hope it stays above $10, because if it does, then you have a chance to get back. I mean, look at that. We're already back to $12, right? So if you can stay above $10, you should have a chance. But again, getting in at 1380 without a plan is very dangerous, though, right? Invest in yourself. Come join us in Discord, Mano. Because maybe you would have been in way below 1380, right? So invest in yourself. With it getting closer to lunch. Yup. 16. Yup. Let me see. Yeah, GNPX just got slapped all the way back to $2 195. So that level, like 195 ish, should be your next support. Alrighty. Oh, it's because you booked 2 1-on-1s. That's why. That is wow. That makes a lot of sense. Thursday, Monday. Yeah, it's been a bit of an interesting day, hasn't it? A bit of an interesting day. Dang, we should have taken those NVIDIA puts at resistance. Not from like the signal, but at resistance. I'm just looking at the list of crazy stocks. For Mara short, yeah, exactly. Especially if it stays above below 25, you should be okay. And then at some point take those gains, right? Anyways, there goes GNPX bouncing up 195. So hopefully it can stay above that if you're in it. Hopefully. Let's go, Mo. My size, 37%. BTC. Yeah, I think everybody to some degree was expecting this retracement, Let's see if we can maintain that support at 85, because that's the lowest we've been on this daily candle, guys. $85,000. Right? So if we can stay above that and just build support above 85 and consolidate above that level, I think that's so healthy. So yeah, for now, that's the low of the day. If we break below that, then okay, we can say yeah, let's go look for a new range. But if it continues to stay above that, then there's nothing to worry about. GNPX again, 195 support, and it bounced above it, so that looks good. BTCM, still pray that thing stays above $10. BTCM, honestly, some of these names with the other Bs, they're just pump and dumps up and down. So make monies, lock monies in. Make the monies and lock it in. It really was, wasn't it? And like the chop between 74 and 54, that breakout was nice. I wonder if we're gonna go back and test that 74. Mo is like, no, unacceptable. The answer is no. Spy did. Spy is always drunk. Interesting how tech is on the greener side today, but okay. Nice. There goes. What's up, Bradley? Ayo, good to see you. How are you? Yeah, no. So again, BTC, BCT, BCT, BT. These names are too repetitive. BTCT, yeah, that thing really needs to consolidate above $10, because if it doesn't, then you're in trouble. So watch $10 for support. Again, keep in mind, like most of these names don't really have a catalyst, right? So if you printed monies on this, congratulations, because I mean, like, look at that. Like we went from $4 at the lows into the open and a breakout, and then just boom, a little bit of consolidation, drop, crawl back above, boom, right? So from $4 to $17 with no catalyst other than Bitcoin is pretty nice, right? So now it needs to consolidate about $10 if it wants to keep going. Alrighty, so that looks good, and yeah, we have a new member though. 360, let's go. Welcome to the community, 360. I'm gonna send you an invite link. Alrighty. My size is now at 42%, so that looks interesting. But yeah, so welcome 360. This is your invite link at the bottom of the chat. So click that link and then follow the steps in the getting started channel. Alrighty. While we're waiting for something else to move, all the Bitcoin names are retracing a bit, even though Bitcoin is holding nicely above 85. Doge is again dipping to retest 35 cents, right? Let me take a look at my size. My size. This thing really lacks the volume, though, doesn't it? It's 6,000 shares, really? No, I'm looking at the wrong stock. This one has a different symbol in it. MYNZ. So my mistake there. Yeah, okay, this one has a bit more volume, 16 million. That's 60% on that. Let's go. Mo with the membership giveaway, guys. Let's go, Mo. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Mo, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's go. Let's go, Mo. Let's go. Cooking. Your stop loss hit on BTCT. Yeah. Let's see if it consolidates again anyway, AK. Yeah. Thank you, Mo. I mean, look at the selling pressure coming in, right? So very dangerous. GNPX has done really well though, retesting and bouncing off support. I almost considered that for a signal, but did not send it. Did not send it. Should have definitely sent it as a signal. Dang it! Because now we're about to go break above the highs. So that 195 for GNPX was perfect. For FOXO's been holding $1 the entire day today. Bill. So as long as it continues to hold above $4 at the 200 EMA and the demand zone, then that's fine. Alrighty. Resistance hasn't changed from the levels that we've been looking at today. GMPX popped and to resistance and then got slapped. So double top for GMPX. Slapped. I'm itching to send an HT signal, but obviously everything just kind of looks like, so there's no need to rush. And we're making monies already in other places and everything else anyways. So it doesn't need to be a signal every single day, Every single day. Yeah, all of these Bitcoin names are kind of selling off now. GNPX is all over the place now. So like I said earlier, your next resistance, yeah, I should have Trevor. I know. Yeah. So your next resistance for this thing is $1. So that 230 we talked about earlier. Yeah, markets want deeper discounts. Yeah, I think it's time, Joe. Give us some discounts. We've had some incredible runs. It's time for some dips, consolidations, and then continuation. Bill, did you get into FOXO? Is that why you're asking, or you're just watching, looking for a position? Bradley, you're still holding a Dogecoin, right? Holding the Dogecoin. Inflation could jeopardize December Fed cut. Greater than expected inflation would force whether the Fed with another rate cut next month. Interesting. I still think the Fed is going to do 25 basis points next month, but that one might be a bit more. Yeah. No. 360, you're good. You have a membership. You sold for $5,000 in profits, Bradley. Well done. Congratulations. So you sold some and then you kept some probably. No, you have a membership already, Bradley. I sent you a link in the chat, right? Just click the link and follow the steps, Bradley. Your wife was happy? I'm sure she was. That's amazing. Congrats. Um, so again, Bradley, I'm gonna send you that invite again already. Yeah. No, you bought a long time ago, Bradley. So scaling out is exactly what you should be doing, right? Profits here, profits there. So again, 360. This is your invite link at the bottom of the chat. So click that link and follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. You just have to connect your YouTube to your Discord, and then you're good to go. So yeah, again, if you zoom out on a bigger time frame, I say bigger time frame, I really just mean like the 15-minute time frame, because you can't really zoom out too far on Bitcoin because you're going to see like a giant green candle. But if you zoom out a little bit further from like a small time frame, you're just going to see that $85, $85,000 resist, like potential support, right? That it's consolidating at. So that's a good thing. Again, this brand new 24-hour candle for Bitcoin, the low that it's been is $85,000. So if it can consolidate above that, that would be perfect. Just perfect. But if you zoom all the way out there and you look at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, all you're gonna see is monies. All you're gonna see is like just dips and curls, dips and curls, dips and curls, right? Dip, right? Pump, dip, boom skis. Pump, dip, boom skis. Like it's just repetitive. So maybe we should be expecting, something at some point. Like look at that, right? Pump, dip, boom, dip, boom. So it's been a while since we had a dip. uh, I mean, look at these daily candles, right? So, but yeah, this was the level though. This 54, this was the magic, and obviously we've talked about this so much. That's why there's so many lines at the bottom here. This was the level. That was the Black Rock level, and then after that, it's just been higher lows and higher lows and higher lows. So at some point, we need another higher low. But oh, Joe, what happened? Are you short or long? Then I dumped it to this. Look at Tesla. Oh, water in a sandwich. Uh, let me look. Let me look. Let me look. Damn, Tesla. Tesla was at 360 last night. I mean, again, Tesla looks okay, but that's a funny way to put it, Virus. My goodness. Tesla needs a sandwich. Yeah, GNPX is looking good. It just has resistance at 230 bill. So just be mindful. Oh, Virus. Unbelievable. Wait, what did I just get? Oh, yeah, I got rid of BTC. Okay, back to the Bitcoin. So yeah, the 15-minute time frame just consolidating. Yeah. So again, keep in mind, it's not always the very top of the wick you're looking for when it comes to resistance bill, right? Multiple points of contact. So if I have a psychological level at 230 and I have multiple candles touching that level and there's one candle at 235, I'd rather focus at the 230 level. Ready? Ready. Yeah, GNPX is looking like it wants to cook when approaching a. Yeah, exactly, Trevor. 360, you haven't clicked the link yet. When you click the link, it's gonna tell me that you have, but you have not yet. Okay, perfect. Yeah, please don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Again, smash a like, hit that subscribe. And if you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Don't get the sold out levels, please, because those levels don't give you access to Discord. Alrighty, become a member and come join us in Discord. Stop missing out. Stop it. Alrighty. Stop missing out. BTCT is back above $10 here. Let's see if it actually stays above $10 or if it's just a scam. Right, there goes GNPX failing at $2.30 again. Surprise? No, not really. $2.30 is resistance. So until that thing can break out above, it's not ready for more. It is not ready. FOXO just got slapped, guys, and it's halted down. This stock did the same thing yesterday. It was looking really good, and then slap, slap. Uh, so for some reason, mm, 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 so that's halted down. And what's CERO doing? CERO is still holding that 200 EMA. Wow, crazy. BTCT, $11. $11. Bradley, do you only play crypto? Do you play stocks as well? Stocks and crypto? Uh, Here you go. The 30-minute is Christina. Let me look. Let me take a look. Yeah, that's the benefit of, like, as time goes on. Let me do the 15-minute first, actually. Mm, yeah, I think the 30-minute is a bit yeah. I think the 30-minute for me is too far out there. I'd rather be looking at the 15-minute time frame, because then you can see like $9.30, nine. So retest of the nine EMA, 930 to 950. Yeah. So on that time frame, it actually is trying to hit support and bounce. And then from the 15-minute, if you go down to the 5-minute, you should also see that the same thing, right? So 950, yeah. The 5-minute is even better, actually. So 950, and then it's all the way down to $7.50 or $7. Yeah, that's the luxury of, like, as time goes on, right? And you have more candles after the market's open, you can start to zoom out and look at other time frames. Amounts to nothing in the basement. It's like finding $100 hiding in an old jacket. How much is that worth, Josh? Money's falling from the sky. Yes. What type of stocks do you play with, Brad? How low will Doge go? That's not an answer I can give you. We can look at levels, right? We can say, hey, the support at 35 cents, the support at 33 cents, the support at 30 cents, right? So for now, if it's bouncing up 35 cents, there's no need to worry about anything else. If we do break below 35 cents, then we can start to look for 33 cents. Then we can look for 30 cents if we break below, right? So you just have to look for like one level after the other after the other. Because if someone tells you they know exactly what's going to happen, they're lying to you. Right? The best you can do is use the information you have in the moment and make decisions with. And then, if you make the wrong decision, it is what it is. Wait, why were you in the emergency room, D? What happened? Paul is busy shorting. Unbelievable, unbelievable, Paul. Yeah, why were you in the emergency room? Hopefully everything is okay. Can I go to the gym? Let me go. Paul, you just have to close the position, and then you can go to the gym. The gym is going to be there all day anyways. So make the monies and then go to the gym, right? Yeah, I need to go to the gym today. Oh, you did? Dang. Okay. But everything's okay now? Hopefully. Hopefully. Come on, BT. Give us another run before we No, 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 no. According to them, I'm okay, but it still hurts. Yeah. Yep. You're working too hard, D. You need to. I need to. You need to take a day off. Argentina's spoke on the phone. Argentina government. No, 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 no. Yeah, Trump is working already. All these headlines. The dude is working, speaking to everybody already. Dude wants to make sure that on day one it's success. Earlier, daily goal met Jericho. Love it. Have a green. Not greedy trades, everybody. Stay blessed as well, Jericho. Good job on hitting that daily goal. Get some rest. Alrighty. Much love. See you later. Yeah. Uh, no, 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 no. Yeah, Raj. Always let me know what your position is. Yeah, when you yeah, when you have a position, always let me know because a lot of you guys will ask for questions like how this, how that. I would really want to know what your position is. Wait, what? Rivian lost $39,000 for every vehicle they delivered in Q3 2024, whereas $32,000 in what a disaster. That's EV companies though. I know, right, Rob? SB, don't worry. There's always a time. 1063. Okay. I think I know. I think yeah. I think I know why you did that. Yeah, let's see if that thing can cross up there though. Morris, if you're looking for the Discord link, you have to be a member first. We're gonna hop off in a bit, guys, and the party is gonna continue, and we're gonna continue in Discord. So again, if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Alrighty, you have to be a member first on YouTube. So you see all the green names in the chat. Yeah. Why did I send that after virus? Anyways, so click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot. Become a member first. So Discord community, Legend, or Goats. Those are the only three levels. Um, Not the sold out levels. Once you become a member, and then I'll send you the Discord link on stream here. There you go. You're green on that position, Bill. There goes $11. There goes 1120, Bill. Right, Bill? Yeah, yeah, Bill. Right, all the boxes checked. Good to go. Yeah. So the question is, when do you sell it? Do you sell it at the double top here at 1120, or does it keep going for you? Right. There goes 1140. That thing said, I want to keep going. I want to keep going, Bill. NXTT. Interesting. GNPX is actually doing well still, right? Still holding the bottom of the range. There goes 1150, Bill. Not even my dog, but every day I comes over to. That's funny, Josh. I bet you your neighbor goes looking for that dog every day. I know, Josh. I know. That was a nice pop to 1150 though. See if it keeps going there. GNPX keeps going up, but it keeps feeling closer to $2.30. FOXO is unhalted. Does that thing have support? Yeah, at zero. I'm kidding. Kidding. Maybe a gamble close to 80 cents, but that's honestly all that it is. CERO is still going up after bouncing on 2450, so that still looks fine. And then BTCT needs to break out as a activity. Oh, okay. Sounds good, Josh. Yeah, that is very cool. Bitcoin is back to 87, so still doing its thing. Doge is back to 36 cents, guys. So nothing to worry about in the crypto land. Nothing to worry about. Well done, Jericho. Have a good night. There goes $12. Are you still in this position though, right, Bill? Or you sold already? Good morning, market price. How are you? $12. Come on, pump it. Pump it. I will say, guys. So Bill got in at $10 and 60 something cents. Is FOXO bouncing? FOXO is popping back up, right? So 80-ish. There goes $12 for you, Bill. FOXO is all over the place. Crazy stock. You just enjoying the move down on SPY? Yup. Ooh, we SPY. When's SPY gonna give us, is SPY gonna give us a 1% red day today, guys? Maybe we're gonna end this week a bit of a sell-off. Today's only Tuesday though, so sell-off, gap down tomorrow, and then bounce back to the moon. Yeah, honestly, Hannah, I will be a little bit rude about this now. It's unfortunate that you spent a lot of monies. That's really unfortunate that people do that. You spent $3,000 and you didn't get any education. That's very unfortunate, right? But so the reason why I'm saying I'm going to be a little bit rude is because, in response to your question, you have $10,000 and you're looking for something to put it in. If that's the mindset, really, whoever you paid did not teach you anything, and that's really unfortunate. For the next run, yeah, they really did not teach you anything, right? To have $10,000 and you're like, I'm looking for the next thing to jump into. They really haven't, which is unfortunate, Hannah. Again, nothing to do with you. More so rude in the sense that you spent that monies and no help, right? So yeah. So again, keep watching the streams, right, and keep asking questions, and you will slowly learn, right? Um, slowly learn. Alrighty. That's what we're here for, to to build people up and support each other and help people make monies and improve their lives. So whether you're a member or not, it's we will still help you to some degree. You made it. Let's go, Bill. So what I was gonna say earlier, guys, I think Bill might be delayed. Are you delayed, Bill? Let me know. Let me know. So so I just want to see Bill is delayed. No, you're not delayed. Okay. So was that a plan A entry or plan B entry, Bill? Let me know in the chat. So Bill just made $1,000, guys. Okay. Okay. I'm just waiting for Bill's response. Alrighty. Bill just made $1,000. Okay. Okay. As I'm hesitating and waiting for his response. um. Choo. There you go. So um, Bill only got into that position because Bill invested in himself and became a GOAT member, right? Because as soon as Bill said he was in, I knew exactly what he did there, right? And he made $1,000. Do you think Bill's GOAT membership for the month, including one-on-ones and everything else, costs $1,000 a month? No, it doesn't, right? So that was my second scout. There you go. So again, that's what happens when people invest in themselves, in the right stuff, in the right community, in the right they make monies. Bill is more than paid for that gold membership, right? So yeah, it doesn't cost $3,000 though. you know. So yeah, Sal, it's a pump and dump. It's going to be done at some point. So thank you, Lorinda. Thank you. Yeah, look at that, right? So my first entry was Bill says my first entry was 444 to 675, 100 shares, and then again, right? Last was 1100 shares. Look at that, right? So beautiful. Again, membership paid for. So you guys are spending some ridiculous amounts of monies in other places, and you guys have no idea what the value of this community is, right? So I'm just saying, just saying. So if you're still on the fence about investing in yourself, well, yeah. Thank you for the help with Will and all of you. Absolutely, right? Like community work. Dream, teamwork makes the dream work. Oh my goodness, that's what I'm saying, Hannah. Whoever was you gave the money to, they've thought you nothing at all, right? You have $10,000. You're just willing to put that in a stock like BTCT. That's a garbage stock, right? Without a plan, you're just waiting for something to kind of nudge you, right? You have no like idea what you're looking for in terms of like an entry or like an exit. Will is my emotional support animal. Oh, that's funny. Unbelievable. Yeah. So Bill and Will work together, by the way, guys. So, which is very cool. Well, do. Position in the yep, exactly, Josh. Do I like the chart? I do. I do. Case one for an entry, that's a different question, right? So, do I like the chart? Yeah. Especially when you start to zoom out, Doge looks really nice, right? So let me zoom out really quickly and let's look at like the 4 hour chart for Dogecoin, right? So it depends. It depends. This is why I always ask, like, you guys need to be clear with your questions. But I like it, right? So look at the last 4 hour candles for Dogecoin. They've all been consolidating or closing above 35 cents. So until, if we break below that level, and then okay, we have a problem. Now we look for 33 cents, right? We look for this level, and then if we break below, we look for 30 cents, right? So for now, though, it's done a good job on the last 4 hour candles of holding 35. So do I like it? Yeah. You're holding? Yeah. Thank you, Case Wine Life Show. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, GNPX got slapped at resistance, guys. Again, surprised? No, not really. Do I still believe in FOXO? I believe in technicals. I believe in charts. Yeah. Yeah. Membership, the VIP. Yeah, Hannah. Again, like I said though, like it's not your fault. You tried your best to invest in yourself. Absolutely, right? But you invested in the wrong place. You gave monies to the wrong people. You know. Um, And honestly, sometimes when someone has 500,000 subscribers, it seems so appealing. You're like, oh my goodness, 500,000 subscribers. Let me go, meet this person and subscribe and pay for this, right? Um, when you have that many people, that person probably doesn't have time for you, Hannah, right? That person doesn't have that time for you. So and all the other people they're teaching, right? It's usually like just courses. It's not like one-on-ones, where you get to sit down and talk and blah blah blah. You just get to watch videos and whatnot. But again, yeah, done for the day, Bill. Let's go. You got to go sell some real estate. Okay, sounds good. Make monies in the stock market and in real estate. I like it. Have a wonderful day, Bill. See you later. See you after hours, maybe. Alrighty. Much love. Yeah. So, and again, Hannah, I keep saying invest in yourself because it costs you $3,000 to become a member over there. It costs you $50 to become a legend member and watch a whole bunch of educational videos and be a part of a community and get help. Is all I'm saying, right? So There's investing $3,000 and getting nothing. There's investing $50 and having an amazing community of people willing to help you. Is all I'm saying, right? Or becoming a GOATS member and getting some one-on-one help. But I would drop it though. For a long time, yeah. This place is different. Stick around and exactly, Josh. Exactly. We have 10 more minutes, guys, and then I have to go do one-on-ones. Otherwise, I'm gonna get slapped for being late again. Josh. Try exactly. There you go. Yeah. Try for 1 month. If it doesn't improve your trading, you can always cancel. Exactly, Dan. And become a member for a month. If it doesn't improve your trading, leave. Right? You're gonna waste monies on other things more than I mean you already have wasted $3,000. No fault of your own, right? Remember that. But you have wasted more monies. Bitcoin is back to 47.5 almost, looking good. Dogecoin is also looking good. Let me go back to these smaller time frames, guys. It's so much nicer to watch when you can see the green candles. For some reason, Rob, this chart doesn't want to update with the algo, so it wants me to refresh it. But no. Okay, come on, Bitcoin. Yeah. GM Blaze, I am breaking up with you. No, unacceptable. The contract says for life, is what it says, Josh. For life. Nope. Yeah, no, BTC looks good. SPY came back up a little bit too with Bitcoin. So it looks like the markets were tight together with that last run. BTCT is back to $12. So you're getting close to that 1380, right? You never gave me cookies. I will bring you cookies to Vegas, Josh. Don't worry. uh, yeah, exactly. Honestly, Lorenda, I think I'm just gonna ignore that. There's really no hope. Um, there's really no hope. Yeah. Okay, good. Thank you, Josh. Thank you. Zero hope, Lorenda. CGC is bouncing. Oh wow, a little bit of cannabis. Yeah, exactly. Honestly, at some point, Lorenda is just exhausting. Um, yeah, it yeah, it's exhausting, and sometimes we ask like again. Sometimes people have to understand that like we're trying to help them like $50. Like I don't want to say this because I know Josh is going to do it, but um so I want to say somebody else if like at some point you have to understand that if people are asking you to join a community and it costs you $25 or $50, $25 or $50 will not change anybody's life in this community, right? If we said, "Hey, Virus, send me a $50 super chat," because I know Virus can't do it. So, and if I say, "Hey, Virus, send me a $50 super chat," do you think Virus is going to send me a $50 super chat? Yeah. Does that cover for the price of that membership? Yeah. So we don't care about the $50. We genuinely care about helping you, right? So it makes no difference to us. Alrighty. Uh, uh, Mark, I'm gonna find you. Behave, please. Behave. Yeah. Uh, they didn't have time for you, Hannah. That's what I'm saying. Like they don't have time for you. So who was yeah, which group was it actually? That's my last question about that. Which group was it? Who scammed you? Anyways, Nvidia came all the way back up. So yeah, the tech stocks are actually doing good today. Like the markets are red, but tech stocks are bouncing today, which is nice. Which is nice. Exactly 360. Exactly. 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 I think the only reason we're even engaging in that is because the market is just kind of slow, and we're hopping off in 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and then I'll go do some one-on-ones. Yeah, Lorinda, I know. Yeah. Do, 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 do. I think Hannah's delayed too, by the way. Come on, Doji Doge. Get back to 37. Yeah, it looks like $12 is resistance here for BTCT. Lots and lots of resistance. AADI. Interesting. The average price for Airbnb in Q3 was $163 per night. Airbnbs. Yeah. Cheddar, I have no idea. She said they have 500,000 subscribers. Again, yeah, people like that though just don't have time. You know. No times for you. Wait, that hasn't been updated, has it? Oh no, it hasn't been. Yeah, still delayed. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys. Again, we're gonna hop off in 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Yeah, so if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us. And then we're gonna continue in Discord, right? Like I said earlier, again, some of these opportunities you're looking at on stream when we show up, uh, you miss them by the time we get on stream, or you miss them because you're not a part of a community, right? So, um, yeah. Uh, I'm off to lunch. Have a great day as well, Mark. $80. Have a great day. Come find me. Mark, you better behave. All of these monies, Mark. You better keep doing exactly what you're doing. No more, Mark. No more. Rubbish. Have a good day, Mark. Alrighty. Chat later. I know. I have to go do one-on-ones. Otherwise we're gonna be way behind. And then someone's gonna say we scammed them. Publicly traded GNS plans to purchase $120 worth of Bitcoin, making it their primary treasury asset. Yeah, okay. How come they waited till now to say they're going to buy? GNS is an absolute useless. Anyways, let me leave it there. This is the news that came out earlier this morning, right? Yeah. Anyways, when you start to see headlines like this, I mean, it's nice. They're planning to buy $120 million worth of Bitcoin. Why didn't they just do it already? Why are they planning to buy $120 million? Yeah. Anyways, but I mean, it's good, at least it's up 7%. Nobody really cares. They're like, oh, 7%. What's that? Eric, have a wonderful day. See you later. Well, Hannah, when somebody's showing you like vacation videos and cars, uh, yeah, employees, not even yeah, you will never see me bragging about a Lambo or my vacation. Because I'm trying to get you to sign up for Discord. I could care less, honestly. I could care less. Um, yeah, but that's crazy. Anyways, people do that though. People on YouTube do that, and you know what's crazy too is yeah. Yeah, we just showed. I know, right? I showed you guys a video of me driving the car, but it's because I was trying to invite you guys to Vegas next time. Yeah, this video, guys. This video.
Brake tight. Good. Tighter on the steering. Pressed it. Tighter again. More gas. Right side. Full throttle. Go. Last lap. Brake hard. Brake hard. Keep that pressure and love it. Off brake. Smooth in. Little gas. 10%. Good. Start to build. Full throttle. Keep on it. You're good. Brake. Good. Stay all the way out off brake.
I'll leave it
Little
there.
gas.
That's all you get to see. But I know, right, Josh? Ooh wee. But that was, yeah. That's how fast was I going? I don't remember actually. I don't remember. What was the speed? I'm pretty sure it tells you actually. What was it, Josh? What was the top speed on some of these? I don't know. Josh remembers. It tells you on that video, but I really don't want to watch the video again. He couldn't touch the pedal. Unbelievable, Raven. That track, yeah, you can get to 100 130 to 140 miles in that particular car. It was fun. It was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Let's go, Eric. Yeah, a lot of fun. Yeah, we spent like hours just going back and forth. It didn't feel like it though, Josh. Next time, Josh, you better be ready. Now that it's not my first time, and there's not that fear of like that's we were going pretty fast. Now it's different, Josh. Next time, you better be ready. Next summer, mm-mm, better be ready. Challenge accepted. Yes, absolutely. Dan is not going to be able to fit in the car. So, but yeah, GNS. I don't know why I'm even looking at this, but Mullen is up 50%. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. I saw all the silly headlines that are dropping. But I mean, again, it's good for anybody that's holding Mullen. Mullen has been destroyed. This really doesn't help anybody when the 52-week high is $2,000. $2.55 is garbage. You can't stop Mullen. Well, I mean, yeah. Yeah, Mullen is actually like the chart is done well. Like if you take the name out of the stock, this is a good performing stock today, right? Like the levels are quite clear, right? Like drop below the 9, curl back above breakout, consolidate at 210, brand new highs, resistance 216. It's quite clear, easy to see, but it's still Mullen though. It's only a matter of time before they do another offering. I know. Honestly, Lorenda, I completely agree because drive, yeah, because you really don't want someone like that, causing chaos. Yeah. There goes Mullen. Wow. Mullen is like, let me cook. Yeah. It's so much nicer to drive like a regular car and have your monies in the market. It's so much nicer. I mean, Josh has said this multiple times. Rent a damn Lambo. Go to Vegas and drive fast cars, and then leave the monies invested. Because you're gonna be so much happier. Seriously, Raven, like it's crazy. They're waiting for like 2025. As soon as like clock strikes midnight, they can do more splits. Yeah. Yep. Crazy. GNS, Palantir, Kumar. What's your position for Palantir? Actually, we're way over time. And I need to go do some other stuff. By the way, my first one-on-one is with I think they're in the chat. Didi, you're next. Unless you're making too much money, you're like, you know what? I don't need to talk to you, and then that's fine. But send me a DM. I know you're in the chat, but you're the first one. So I'll see you there in 5 minutes. Okay, Didi? 5 minutes in the one-on-one channel. You're in GNS, Christina. Okay, yeah, GNS looks okay. I just think the headline is doo doo. You know, absolute garbage. Have a great day as well, D. Get well soon. Hopefully you're resting. Hopefully you're resting and your wife isn't getting you to do a lot of works. A lot of works. Yeah, Mullen is like, let me cook, guys. 277 for Mullen. Wow. That's fine. Okay, sounds good, D. Sounds good. Live with hot rates. Yeah, we bring Didi on stream now. People are going to be shy to tell you guys all their, the mistakes. There goes 280. Damn, Mullen. Damn, Mullen. Who formatted into Mullen in the chat? I know Mullen formatted into Mullen. This Mullen formatted into Mullen. Who else formatted into Mullen? Not bad. Again, like I said earlier, though, like if you take away the actual ticker symbol, this stock looks nice. Like the levels are quite clear and easy to see, but once you slap that ticker symbol on there, everybody's like, yeah, you know what? I'll pass. Yeah. That's true, Josh. That is true. Anyways, guys, we're gonna leave it here for the day, though. Thank you all very much. Thank you very much for the support. Right, I could not, be with a better group of people. So I really appreciate the support and the love. Let's keep growing and making monies together, everybody. Alrighty, and we're gonna continue this in Discord. So be safe. Don't do anything crazy, please. If you have any questions, ask in Discord. Alrighty, and we will make sure to help you. Much love, Josh. Alrighty, get back to working, and then until Bitcoin hits new highs, and then we can come back tonight. So Mullen is just cooking there. Thank you very much, Lorenda. Thank you. Thank you. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in Discord. Alrighty, guys. Bye, guys. Bye.